As India moves closer to completing 100 years of independence, we are standing at a fascinating point in our history. Think about it, a young and dynamic population, booming technology, ancient civilization wisdom, and rising global influence, all coming together to shape what India could look like by 2047. And that's exactly what Viksit Bharat at 2047 is all about. It's not just about government plan or number on a chart. It's a vision of an India that's not richer but also stronger, fairer and wiser. A country that's innovative, self-reliant and guided by values. So how do we get there? To make this vision real, nearly 100 reform ideas have been put together. Practical, doable and future-ready. These ideas cover everything from governance and economy to technology, sustainability, education and healthcare. Each idea is like a spark, designed to unlock potential, mobilize people and strengthen the idea of nation-first thinking. Now, before we go deeper, let's ask what Viksit Bharat actually means. It's not just about high GDP or tall buildings, it's about creating a spiritually evolved, ethically grounded and service-oriented nation. An India where both citizens and administrators live by the principle of duty over entitlement and service over self. Because real progress happens when every citizen becomes an active partner in nation building, not just a receiver of benefits. This idea is called Nagrik Bhagidari, citizen participation. It's where people, policies and purpose come together, a democracy that's driven not just by leaders, but by every Indian doing their part. Of course, we live in what we call as VUCA world, full of volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity. To lead in such times, India needs to stay resilient through innovation, technology and diplomacy. And here's the truth. In the 21st century, sovereignty means techno-sovereignty. It's not just about protecting borders anymore. It's about owning our data, our digital system, our AI and our technology. India must not only be quick to adopt, but strong enough to lead, standing firm, protecting national interest and inspiring others through innovation. The idea of 100 reform rests on 10 big pillars, also explained by IIPA faculty Dr. Surbhi Pandey in her article, India at 2047, a reform blueprint of 100 ideas to power the journey of Viksit Bharat, recently published in IIPA Digest. Let's explore the 10 pillars that anchor this reform architecture according to this article. Talking about governance and bureaucracy reforms, the foundation of a Viksit Bharat must be modern, data-driven and citizen-centric administration. By 2047, governance must evolve into one nation, one digital administration powered by predictive analytics and public feedback. When it comes to economic transformation, India must aim for a $30 trillion economy with growth led by innovation, investment and inclusion. Our focus must shift from the consumption to creation, balancing Atmanirbharta and Vishwanirbharta, self-reliance with global partnership. When it comes to industrial and manufacturing push, India's next industrial revolution, that is Industry 5.0, must blend automation with human creativity. By 2047, manufacturing should contribute 25% of GDP, turning India into a trusted global production hub. Talking about agriculture and rural prosperity, farming will move from subsistence to prosperity. Smart irrigation, AI-based crop management, and digital marketplaces will empower farmers and make villages the new engines of growth. Education for the future, the National Education Policy 2020 laid the foundation. Now learning must become capability-centric. By 2047, classrooms will be immersive, AI-supported and globally competitive, producing thinkers, not rote learners. Health access and quality. A healthy India is the basis of productive India. Universal digital IDs, telemedicines in every panchayat, and AI-based diagnostic will make Health for All 2047 a reality. Environment and climate leadership guided by the Life Movement, Lifestyle for Environment. India aims to be the world's ecological conscience, leading in renewable energy, green hydrogen and net zero cities. Infrastructure of the future. Smart highways, electric mobility, resilient cities, and satellite internet will form an integrated grid of physical and digital connectivity, the backbone of Viksit Bharat. Social equality and urban living. As over half the population becomes urban by 2047, India's cities must be inclusive, affordable, and safe. Empowering women, workers, and the marginalized will ensure growth with dignity. Digital sovereignty and tech policy. In this century, sovereignty means techno-sovereignty. India's digital public infrastructure, Aadhaar, UPI, ONDC, is already shaping the world. By 2047, India will lead in AI, semiconductors, and cybersecurity, ensuring digital Swaraj, our independence in the digital age. Together, these 100 ideas form an integrated blueprint, a roadmap for transforming India's economic strength into global leadership and its demographic energy into a force for innovation and equity. India's journey to 2047 is not just a national mission, it's a civilizational call to destiny. The blueprint of 100 ideas is a declaration of intent that India will not only rise but lead, not only develop but transform, not only prosper but inspire. The future of India will not be written by a few, it will be co-created by 1.4 billion citizens, each a Karma Yogi, each a torch-bearer of Viksit Bharat. Because India in 2047 is not just a dream, it's our dharma. This video is just the beginning and introduction to the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047. In the next 10 episodes, we will explore in depth the 100 transformative ideas that form the heart of this vision. Ideas that reimagine governance, redefine prosperity, and renew our sense of national purpose. So stay tuned, join us as we unfold step by step how India is preparing to power its journey to Viksit Bharat. And the link to read the full article by Dr. Surbhi Pandey is mentioned in the description below.